Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to try and do a twist out using Cantu Define and Shine Custard. So the instructions for the Cantu Define and Shine Custard are that you have to use it on soaking wet hair. So that may explain why my hair is actually dripping water right now. Now I'm going to start off with the very first section. As usual, make sure that you detangle your hair. So you can use a comb to make sure that you don't have any knots left, and that will also help you to have a very neat twist out. Now after combing through your hair carefully, you can then go ahead and start applying the Cantu Define and Shine Custard in your hair. So while applying the Cantu Define and Shine Custard, you just have to make sure that you massage through your hair, and that will also help you to remove any leftover knots, but then it will also detangle your hair really well and help you as you work your way through the twist out. If you would like to see the actual technique of how to do a twist out section by section, I'm going to put a card up that you can follow to see that video. Otherwise, I'm going to continue sectioning all the parts in my hair while I apply the Define and Shine Custard. And after this, I'm just going to wait and see how this product is going to work on my hair. Now, I have seen mixed reviews about this product. However, I am excited to see what this is going to look like on me. So guys, that's how our twist out is looking right now. I'm going to slip like this. I'm actually going to leave it open for a while so that it gets a little bit aerated. Then when I'm going to slip, I'm going to have a silk scarf over my head, and then we shall see how it looks like tomorrow. Yeah. So fast forward to the next morning, I started off by moisturizing my twist out using the Cantu hair dressing pomade. I think it's really good to moisturize your hair when you're doing a twist out, and most especially when you're taking them down, because it will make your hair look really healthy and shiny. So I started off with that, and then eventually I started to undo my twist outs and see what style I could do with them. However, I was actually in for a surprise, and some of the people who have used the Cantu Define and Shine pomade have actually attested to it and given reviews about this. It actually left my hair really flaky, and even after trying to take it down and trying to see if I could style it, the flakiness and the white chaffy stuff in my hair were just too much to handle. I don't think there was any way I could salvage the twist outs. I tried all kinds of techniques. I tried to brush them out with a toothbrush, and I tried to also comb them out, but all this did not really work. So I think for natural hair, I think you should just proceed with caution when you're using this product. That's one thing that I can advise you to do. However, I have also seen this product working on people with more like finer hair. So it's not necessarily that the product doesn't work. It may just not really work very well on natural hair. If you have used this product and you think it's actually the best and it really works on your hair, please give us a comment in the comment section below and let us know how you actually used it, because we follow through with all the instructions, but it still does not do what we would like for it to do for our hair. So we'd like to hear from you. Otherwise, that's the Cantu Define and Shine Custard review. If you would like to see more reviews of us trying out different products for your hair, then make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Also, leave us a comment on what products you would like for us to try out next time. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, bye guys.